All right, guys. We are on day 12. Day 12. All right, so 12.6 notes. So again, I'm going to turn this around. You'll notice we do not, there is no note check for today's lesson. So after you watch this video, you'll just go straight to the homework and then submit that homework. Again, I put a reminder right here. If you have any missing work, please get that in as soon as possible for credit. The semester's coming to an end, guys, okay, so we don't have much time left. I don't want to have to keep those as zeros. Make sure you are checking, again, Skyward for up-to-date grades or missing assignments and get those in as soon as possible. Otherwise, here we go. We're on to day 12, our 12.6 notes. So, okay, remember order matters here. Here's some things I noticed from the other day's lesson for 12.5 lesson. If you're multiplying by a sum or a difference, remember you have to add parentheses around that addition or subtraction to make sure that you first find the sum or find the difference before you can multiply. So for example here, 3 times the sum, addition, of D and 4. Well, it's times the sum, which means you have to find it, put parentheses around it, is 32. Those are the options. That's from the last lesson again. So here we go. The difference of twice a number k and 8 equals 12. Okay, so we have to do twice a number k, which is 2k, or 2 times k, and 8. Difference means subtraction. So we have the difference of twice a number k, 2k, minus 8 equals 12. All right, that's just the actual equation part. Notice how both of these had equal signs. Now we're getting on to combining inequalities. Some of this was on the homework, and I noticed a lot of us struggled with it. So today we're kind of narrowing in on these two things. So it says combining inequalities. A number y is no less, so here we go, is no less than 5 and is no more than 13. Well, if we look back at our sheet here, is no more is this symbol. So I'm going to put that under here, is no more. And is no less is right here. So I'm going to put that above my is no less. And now I'm just going to do it in order, a number y. So whatever we're looking at here, you just put it in the middle. So here we have y is no less than 5. Okay, it's no less than 5. And no more than 13. So however you put that, it's not going to be less than 5. So it's not less than or equal to. It's greater than or equal to. So the same symbol. That means y is greater than or equal to 5. So it's no less than it. It can be 5, but it's greater. And no more. Well, again, then we're looking at that. If it's no more, we have to flip that symbol around if y is over here. So again, another way you could do this is y is greater than or equal to 5 and less than or equal to 13. You need to be able to read this. A number y is no less, meaning it's greater than or equal to 5, and no more, so it's less than or equal to 13. It's not more than that, it's not greater than, and it's not less than, so this is how you'd have to put it in order, or this way. These mean the same thing, so you have to be able to read these. So y, again, is greater than or equal to 5, because it's no less than it, and it's less than or equal to 13, because it's no more than it. So it's in between that, which means y would be a number that's essentially in between 5 and 13. The sum of a number b and 3, so if we have to do a number, is greater than, so here we have a sum of a number b and 3, so we do b plus 3, we're just going to put parentheses around that, is greater than, bigger side, bigger, greater, than 5, and is less than 9. So again, you put whatever it is in the middle, and then you put the proper symbols there. So here we have the sum of b and 3, so this is the sum. Well, this is greater than 5, and it's less than 9. So again, essentially, it means it's got to be somewhere between 6 and 8, because it can't be 9, it can't be 5, there's no equal signs here. So that's if we were going to solve for those. All right, so I want to just kind of break it down to two little things here. Go ahead, make sure when you're looking at it, it makes sense. Don't just rush through these, okay? You only have 5 problems on your homework assignment. Make sure you take your time. Make sure you look over these. Make sure your answer, how you have it written out, makes sense. Well, this is saying b plus 3 is greater than 5, and it's less than 9. It's greater than 5, and it's less than 9. Boom. Questions, send them my way. Otherwise, have a great weekend. Please, again, make sure that any missing assignments you have, those are done. You'll take a picture of this, you will upload it. Have a great weekend, guys.